Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, the person who sees an AI update and immediately thinks, oh great, what are they spying on now?
And I'm Joshua, the guy who sees the same AI update and goes, yes, new toy.
Gemini 3 is Google's new super smart AI. According to Superhuman AI, it helps bring any idea to life, which sounds amazing and also slightly terrifying.
Terrifying? Grace, please. This thing is awesome. Gemini 3 can understand text, images, videos, audio, code, basically everything, except my handwriting.
Your handwriting looks like the Wi-Fi password after 6 wrong attempts.
Exactly. Even Gemini 3 would say, Joshua, please, try again.
Anyway, Gemini 3 is basically Google's smartest brain yet. You can give it a tiny idea and it can turn it into something real. A plan, a design, a layout, even a full project.
And it can even think deeply. There's a mode called Deep Think that solves complex problems. Grace, imagine having a friend who actually understands things.
Are you saying I don't understand things?
Moving on.
That's what I thought. So Gemini 3 is available in the Gemini app and Google's AI Studio, and it even powers AI mode in Google Search.
Yes, this part is wild. You search something like, help me design a birthday party, and it creates layouts, visuals, plans, everything.
It's like having a personal assistant who works for free and doesn't complain. I like that.
Exactly. And for developers, Gemini 3 can build interactive UIs, code samples, prototypes, basically do the heavy lifting so humans can supervise.
Which is code for AI does 90%, we smile and pretend we helped.
Pretty much.
But here's my line. It is multimodal, and that means if you upload images or files, you're trusting the system. So always be careful about sensitive data.
Of course, safety first, then innovation, perfect combo.
So overall, Gemini 3 is a big leap. It's fast, smart, and actually useful for turning ideas into real things.
Yep. To me, it feels like having a super smart friend who never gets tired.
Well, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious.
Thanks for listening. Go dream big, and maybe let Gemini 3 help you build it.
See you next time.